how to delete Instagram old chats from both sides permanently. So let's begin. First, you need to open your Instagram application and then open the chat with the person you have messaged. For example, I have messaged this account here. Now, as you can see, I sent this message today. If you have old messages here, you can do it exactly the same way as I am showing you. First, what you need to do is, whichever message you want to unsend or delete permanently, you have to long press on that message. As soon as you long press, you'll see an option for delete for you. And as the message gets older, you see an option for unsend. Click on unsend. As soon as you click on unsend, your old chat will be deleted, and in this way, you can delete all messages one by one. So that was today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.